Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Trackies, without further ado, the start list have dropped. Trackies and the epic clashes begin from the get-go. I'm talking about the matchups in the women's 100 meters. The heat start from round one. Usually we have to wait until semifinals. It's something, like a special. No, 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 no. Not this year, trackies. From round one, we're going to be seeing epic clashes trackies, and I'm gonna get into these heats with you now. In heat one, trackies, this heat is ablaze, I'm telling you. Now in heat one, we have Jura Levy, we have Yanni Daly, we have Shericka Jacko Jackson, we have Briana Williams, we have Janelle Smith trackies, we have Linnea Thompson, and we have Kashika Cameron. Now trackies, this for me is a very hot race. No, why am I saying that? Because, I did a previous video talking about, my top eight, right? And actually, three of the people that I'm say are gonna make me top eight in a one race. Now, this track is very eye-opening. It just goes to show, the depth and the strength, in Jamaican sprints right now. Usually, again, as I say, you have to wait until the semifinal if it's sitting nice, sitting spicy. Not this year. Not this year. The spiciness start from the get-go trackies. So with a race with Shericka Jackson, Briana Williams, Janelle Smith, and not to, shortchange the others, but, I can see clear separation in this, first heat right now. I see Shericka taking it. I see Briana coming in second, and I see Janelle Smith in third place. What I'm hoping for trackies is, again, this is just the heat, right? So I really want the girls to literally just come out and, just do enough. Do what is required to qualify, right? I'm not expecting to see anything ridiculous from the top three athletes in this event that I expect, to make it to the next round. Trackies, that is what is most important, doing enough to qualify, right? So again, I see Shericka taking it, I see Briana in second, and I see Janelle Smith in third.